Hello friends, I am Dr. Ram Saunekar, Assistant Professor at Aniket College of Social Work, Varda. Today I am going to discuss on syllabus and pattern of question paper of BSW first semester. All of you are new students, you don't have experience of university exam. So we will see how will be the question paper pattern and what is the syllabus for BSW first semester. Friends, this new syllabus has been implemented from 2016-17 and for BSW first semester you have this syllabus for theory paper 80 marks and internal assessment 20 marks. There will be 5 units in the syllabus and out of 5 units, first 4 units will be for theory paper which we are going to discuss. So theory paper will be of 80 marks and internal assessment will be of 20 marks. So which will be the textbook for BSW first semester? The title is given here. Textbook prescribed is Views and Vision, edited by Dr. B.V. Morrill, Orient Black Swan. So you have to purchase this textbook and we have to learn from this textbook the content which are included in the syllabus. See, Unit 1 prescribed lesson. Unit 1 will be for 20 marks and out of the prescribed lessons you have to learn first lesson towards universal brotherhood. Towards universal brotherhood written by Rashtrasant Tukdoji Maharaj. This will be the first lesson. And another one, how wealth accumulates and men decay. It has been written by G.B. Shaw. So these two lessons will be there in Unit 1 and there will be 20 marks question depending on these two lessons. So we have to learn and you have to prepare for the examination point of view. Then Unit 2, this unit also has 20 marks and there will be 2 lessons in Unit 2, Kalpana Chawla and second is a letter by Hazlitt to his son, written by William Hazlitt. See, these 2 units will be in Unit 2. Unit 3, this will be for poetry section and there are 3 poems in Unit 3. These 3 poems will be also for 20 marks. The first poem is The Psalm of Life, written by H.W. Longfellow. Second poem is Mirror. It has been written by Sylvia Plath. And last poem is Lord Olin's Daughter, written by Thomas Campbell. So these 3 poems will be there in Unit 3 for 20 marks. Then Unit 4, Basic Language Skills, Grammar and Usage. See, Unit 4 A will be for Basic Language Skills and Grammar and Usage. This has 10 marks weightage and in Unit 4A, Basic Language Skills and Grammar Usage, you have to learn prepositions for 4 marks. There will be questions for 4 marks on this chapter preposition. Thereafter, one word for a set of words. It has also 4 marks, and these one word for a set of words from the prescribed prose items, the prose which you are going to learn in first semester. Out of these prose, you will be asked this question, one word for a set of words. Then third chapter is synonyms. It will be for 2 marks from the prescribed prose items. It is also from the prescribed lessons, synonyms for 2 marks. Then unit 4B, comprehension of unseen passage. It will be for 10 marks. Comprehension of unseen passage, you have experience of it as you have learned unseen passages in SSC and HSC exam. So same pattern will be there. Comprehension of unseen passage, you will be given one unseen passage on any topic. You have to read it carefully and you have to solve questions asked on this unseen passage. So this will be for 10 marks. 10 marks weightage is for comprehension of unseen passage. So prepare well and we will learn how to solve questions and how to comprehend the unseen passage. The recommended books are here: Learner's Grammar and Composition by N.D.V. Prasad Rao, Yash Chand and Company Limited. Learner's Grammar and Composition. This book is useful for the syllabus and for learning these chapters. It is also available in our college library. You can learn, you can borrow and you can read. Next book is English Grammar Composition and Usage by J.C. Nesfield, Macmillan India Limited. So this is also available in our library. You can borrow and you can learn these chapters from these books. Unit 5, Internal Assessment, Conversational Skills, Step Up 1. Step Up 1 is a textbook. This book is for Unit 5 and there will be some chapters which you will find in this Step Up 1 book. So internal assessment will be for 20 marks and out of 20 marks Viva Host will be for 10 marks and assignments will be for 10 marks. Means see, theory paper will be of 80 marks and internal assessments will be for 20 marks. 80 plus 20 means total calculation will be 100. So in Viva Host and assignments, which will be the topic? So these are some topics you have to prepare. Making introduction, how to make introduction. This is a skill and you have to learn this skill and prepare well. Make practice, how to introduce. Greeting people, how to greet people. Then describing people, describing place and describing animals. This is also you have to learn. Expressing feelings, how to express our feelings. This skill also we have to learn in this unit. And last point is inviting, suggesting, accepting and refusing. So these are very common things but useful for everyone whenever you are going to learn. You whatever you are doing, these things will be useful for you. So read it carefully, learn it, and practice well to develop your skill. Now we will see pattern of question paper. You will be given 3 hours duration for the examination, and full marks for the theory paper will be 80 marks. Theory paper will be there. So how would be the questions in your question paper? The same pattern, 3 hours duration and 80 marks. In question 1, 4 short answer questions with internal choice to be answered in about 75 words, each from unit 1. Now see, question first will be from unit 1, and there will be 4 short answer questions with internal choice. Internal choice will be there, means out of 2 questions you have to solve one. Select one which you can solve properly, and about which question you have confidence that you can solve it properly. Select that question. So internal choice will be there. You have to select one out of 2, and such questions will be 4. Means out of 8 questions you have to solve 4 questions, short answer questions, and you have to answer these questions in about 75 words, and these questions will be from unit 1 prescribed lessons. So 5 into 4 questions of 5 marks, means 20 marks. First question will be for 20 marks from unit 1. Then question 2, 4 short answer questions with internal choice to be answered in about 75 words, each from unit 2. Again the same pattern will be there. 4 short answer questions with internal choice to be answered in about 75 words, each from unit 2. Now these questions will be from unit 2. In question 1, questions will be from unit 1. In question 2, questions will be from unit 2. So same pattern, 4 questions of 5 mark, 20 marks. Question 3, 4 short answer questions with internal choice to be answered in about 75 words, each from unit 3. Now see, unit 3, question 3 will be from unit 3. So you have to answer 4 short answer question with internal choice in about 75 words from unit 3. Same pattern, 4 questions of 5 marks, 20. See, question 1 from unit 1, question 2 unit 2, question 3 unit 4. 4 short answer questions with internal choice in every question. The same question pattern will be there from unit 1, unit 2, unit 3. Then next question 4. Question 4 will be on comprehension of unseen passage. The separate fourth question will be only for comprehension of unseen passage. You will be given unseen passage and you have to solve questions asked on that unseen passage. 5 questions will be there on this unseen passage. Each question has 2 marks weightage, means 5 questions of 2 marks, 10 marks, 5 into 2. Then unit 5 will be on these sub questions. Unit 5A, 4 questions on prepositions for 4 marks. B, 4 questions out of 6 for one word substitution. One word substitution, there will be 4 questions, means 4 marks, and 2 questions out of 4 on synonyms. You have to give synonyms for 2 marks. 2 questions, 2 marks. So this will be the question paper pattern. Question 1 for 20 marks, question 2 for 20 marks, question 3 for 20 marks, question 4 for 10 marks, and question 5 for 10 marks. Okay, thank you so much.